class, Professor Smith again. Today we're going to look at some common measurements using the digital multimeter that came with your Arduino kit. You can see that I've, just to make things easy, I've created some little test probes here that can go into the prototyping board, and I've got to test those. And to test it, I'm going to run a continuity test, and that means I'm just going to make sure there's a path for electricity to flow. So we move the meter over here to this setting right here where we see the ohm mark, and then we can hit this button twice to turn on our tone right here. And then if we connect these two leads together, we should hear tone. So it looks like I've got a good circuit there. My leads are working just fine, so I can proceed to the next measurement, which is our DC voltage measurement. So to do that, just move the meter over here to DC volts. This little setting right there. And voltage measurements are made across the circuit or across the source, from plus to minus on the source. So we can put our test lead here, our black to ground, and our red to positive volts. And we see right at 5 volts coming out of the Arduino. So that's our voltage measurement. And then we'll disconnect that. And to make our current measurement, we'll move the meter over here to milliamps, to DC milliamps. And this measurement is a little bit different because the meter has to go into the circuit. The current has to flow through the meter to be measured. And you can see that we've got our LED here, and if we complete this circuit to ground, the LED comes on and everything's cool. But if we take that apart and we put the meter here this way, you can see that the LED comes back on, and we're looking at about 13 milliamps of DC current that's flowing through that circuit. It's kind of interesting, if we reverse these, that's perfectly okay. The meter will still work, won't be damaged, anything like that. But you can see that now you just simply have minus volts. So those are 3 common measurements: continuity, voltage, and current. And have fun with your Arduino kit.